boys, after doing the activity and writing the units, we will move toward exercise 5b, and question number 4 is express in terms of grams. Okay, what we have to do, we have to express these questions that have kg in terms of grams. So now you can see boys, it is 375 kg. What we have to do, we will write solution SOL, and what I will do to convert it into gram, as you all know, converting the bigger unit into the smaller, we have to multiply it with 1000. Okay, and then we cannot write kg because we have multiplied it with 1000. We will write g. Okay, we will write g, and in the bracket we can write 1 kg, so that we will know why we had written 1000. 1 kg equals to 1000 and grams. Bracket closed. So boys, when I will multiply 375 by 1000, it will be 375 thousands. Okay, sorry, I forgot to write the equals to sign. It will be 375 thousands gram. Okay boys, after doing part A boys, we will move toward part B, that is 46 kilogram. We will write SOL for solution equals to, and now you have to remember it that when we are converting the bigger unit into the smaller, we have to multiply it with 1000. Means when we are converting the kilogram into gram, we have to multiply it with 1000. Okay, now it is 46,000 gram. Why I am leaving the space? Because in the international place value system, they said after writing 3 digits from right hand side, you have to skip the space. Commas use is now not in trend. Okay, here you can again write 1 kg equals to 1000 and grams. Okay, bracket closed. After doing part B, we will move toward part C, and it is 1005 kilograms. Boys, I am leaving this sum on you. You have to do it by yourself. After doing question number 4, boys, we will move toward question number 5, that is find the sum of these, and it is part A, 29 kilogram for 544 grams and 36 kilogram 350 gram. So always remember, we have to add kilograms in kilograms and grams in grams. For this, we will start our solution. For solution, first I will write kilogram for kg and will leave a space and will write grams for g. In kilogram, in the first line there is 29 kg, 29 in kg and 544 gram. Okay, and this end. Okay, it means this is the second term. What we have to do, we have to sum. So I am writing addition sign over here. Now it is 36 kg and 350 grams. So first we will write 350 grams, 0 under this 4, okay, 5 under this 4 and 3 under here. Now there are 3 digits in gram and 2 digits in kilogram. So 6 under 9 and 3 under 2. Okay, now we will add it. Here you can see boys, it is simple addition. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 8, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, means then we have to add 9 plus 6. So first I have taken 1 from here and made it 10, and then what is left? 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is our answer? I am writing it over here. 55 kg 894 grams. Okay. So boys, after doing part A, we will move toward part B, that is 10 kilogram, 200 grams and 65 kilograms. So here you can see in the solution I have written kilograms and grams. First value is 10 kg and 200 g. So I have written 10 in kg and 200 in grams. But you can see in the second value there is only kilogram, there is nothing in grams. So when there is nothing, we can write 0 0 0 because it means nothing. 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3. So 200 plus 0 is 200 also. So here you can see in kilogram I have written 5 under 0 and 6 under 1. Because there was nothing, so I have written 0 0 0. So now 200 plus 0 0 0 is 200. Okay, 200. And 10 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay boys, so our answer here is 75 kilogram and 200 grams. I will write 75 kilograms and 200 grams. Okay.